Welcome once again to my channel. SAA Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel. Be part of SAA family. In today's video, guys, we are going to make soap using Classic White. Classic White is also one of the soap in the market, and it is very good for fair skin type. Yes, they have it in different kinds, but I will be adding in my Kojisan soap. Yes, I'm using 2 of my Kojisan soap. I will be adding to my soap. So I'm using 2 of my Kojisan soap. Guys, yes, Classic White soap. We have different kinds. We have the turmeric, we have the cucumber, we have the lavender, but I'm using the Classic White for the fair skin. Yes, which is the white one. This is what I'm using. Yes, guys, please, I'm using this kind, and I'm using 10 of it. I'm using 10 pieces of it. Yes, so the Classic White is my soap base in this formulation. So guys, please, and I'll also use my ozone soap, but I'm using the yellow one. The yellow one moisturizes the skin very well, and also I'll be adding my Likey soap. Yes, I was having it, so I'll add it, but this one is optional. And I also add my anti-pimples soap. This anti-pimples soap clears pimples, dark spots, and those things. So please, guys, I'm adding in one because I want to use this soap on my face. So I'll add all these. So guys, right now we are going to grate all the soap. Yes, so be with me and let's do the grating together. Remember to subscribe. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I'll pause here and finish the grating. So guys, see you later. This is our grated soap. Yes, I've grated the soap. The white one is the Classic one. The orange one is the Likey and the Kojisan. And also the yellow one is the ozone. So I use only one ozone soap, which is the yellow one. Please take notes. I use one ozone soap, which is the yellow one, and I've grated all the soap together, and this is my grated soap. I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. And my first oil will be my carrot white oil. This carrot white oil contains carrot extract, and it is very good because it is beauty oil which will beautify the face very nice. And this will be also my soap activator. Yes, this soap activator can give it 2 shades lighter. So I'm going to add to my soap. Yes, guys, I'm also going to add in my 42 hours lotion and my Santat cleanser or lotion. These 2 are cleansers. I'm going to add to the soap because I said this soap is going to be used on the face at the same time on the body, and we need to clear all the pimple, dark spot, acne, blemishes on the face. Okay, so I'll add to this, and also going to add in my perfect skin repair and whitenizer. This also contains niacinamide and also sepia white. I also add in my rapid white whitenizer. Rapid white whitenizer is also very good for pimples, dark spots, age spot. Okay, I'll also add in my Kojisan serum. Kojisan serum is also good for sunburn, so I'll add all these serum into my soap with the soap activator. So guys, yes, we are going to do it. Be with me still. Let's do it. This is my carrot vet oil or serum. Yes, I'll add in 2 tablespoons, which is 30 ml. Guys, please take note. 2 tablespoons, which is 30 ml. And I'm also going to add in my rapid white whitenizer. Rapid white whitenizer, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon, which is what I'm having. Yes, I'm having only 1 tablespoon, so I'll be added to my soap. Guys, this soap can be used on the face at the same time on your body, and it's going to work for you. Yes, this soap is very good. So right now I'm going to add in my Perfect Skin and Repair. Okay, yes, Perfect Skin Repair and Whitenizer, which contains Sepia White and niacinamide or vitamin B3. Yes, so guys, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of it. 3 tablespoons of it. Please watch the video to the end to know all the ingredients I use on this video, because I will be listed all the ingredients on the video. I'm also going to add in my Scented lotion. Scented lotion is very good for pimples, dark spots, acne, scars. Okay, it also serves as a cleanser. So I also add in 3 tablespoons of my Scented lotion. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, also like my video and share. I'm also going to add in my 42 hours cleanser. I'll add in 3 tablespoons, the same thing as my Scented lotion. So guys, yes, these 2 are cleansers. The 2 will serve as cleansers to clean all the pimples, the dark spots, and the quercetin also take care of the hyperpigmentation, the sunburn. So I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of my quercetin serum. Yes, 2 tablespoons of it. Then I will stir my soap for a while before I can add in my oshapapra to it. The oshapapra, I'll add it to my own consistency. So that one, you will decide to add in, either to add in your oshapapra into it by step. This is my preservative. Yes, I'm using the powdered one. So guys, you can use in the Jama Plus, the Otifying one. You can use any of it. Okay, so I'm using my powdered one. Yes guys, then I will also add in my oshapapra to it, making it step by step, a little by little, till what I get to my own consistency. Then I will stop. So guys, you can also do yours like that and add to it by your own consistency. You can add in 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml, depending on your soap. So right now I'm going to cover it for a day, then I'll blend it in the another day. Okay, so guys, yes, please subscribe to my channel, also turn on notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Yes, in another day I blend it using my hand mixture. This is how it will look like. Yes guys, so soft and smooth. This is how it will look like. I use the hand mixture to do it, and this is what I get, and I'm going to use it by myself, and I'll sell the rest of it. So you can also do yours and use it and come back and give me a testimony of it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, also like my video and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.